Climate control broken? Let's fix that today. Well, just the other day, temperature dropped down into the 40s in Florida, and it was a little bit cold, so I decided to turn on my heater. The knob came right off, but it didn't just fall off the stud, it actually twisted the stud out, and that broke my climate control module. I'm going to replace that today. It's a pretty easy task. Some things that you're going to need is a small screwdriver, because the lines are hooked on by little clips that you have to push a screwdriver in. So you don't have to worry about that. You'll be able to move all your knobs and everything, because right now the one that's jammed, that's supposed to move freely. That controls where the air blows, whether to the defroster, to your feet, or out the front for AC. This is a kind of important one, and I can feel that it's definitely jammed up. There's something wrong in there. So let's get that replaced. Let me show you real quick what I got to do. I had to take off the bezel, and I had to disconnect the lines. The lines are right here. Take off the top of the bezel. There's a little nut here and one here. Take those off. It's got some places where it pops out. You got to take the lower panel off down here. I just took a little screwdriver and popped it out. And then there were two screws that held on the bottom of the bezel. These lines right here that run to the cables come off the back of your climate control, and to get to those, they're attached right here and right here, two red dots to show you the spot. You're going to have to take a screwdriver, put it into the little hole there, and that'll pop those lines right off the back. Then unhook your back, and now we're going to put in the new part that I ordered off Amazon. This is for a 2007 to probably 2010 JK climate control module replacement. Gonna open it up, stick it on, and stick the lines in. Lines are in. This is gonna come off right here. That line's going on to your temperature door. They just pop on, and then they're gonna have to lock into that spot. Snap that on, put it into where the old one came out. Snap on the other one, place it into the socket that it fits in. Now, those are going to go back in there. And we now have working controls once more. There are 4 little screws. They're Phillips head. A shorty will get them in there. I suppose I should have put it on before I attached the cables and the connectors, but I'll get it on anyway. Once it's on, I can start plugging everything back together. Put the bezel back on. Tighten up these little 7mm. Don't do them too tight, otherwise you'll twist them right off. That's why I'm doing them by hand. Then you got to snap the lower part on. This is going to snap on. These pieces are the bottom, that's the top. The snap-ins are right there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide it into the spot right there where it goes, and then snap it in. I can put my vents back in. These vents are very easy to take off. They just twist out. Good place to put a bottle of water to get it cold. The AC will cool your water down in about 20 minutes. Those are back on. Then you need to attach the top part of the bezel. Mine is a little cracked up here. Been taken off and on several times, but I'm not going to worry about those cracks because that's a $200 bezel, and I don't feel like spending that amount of money just because it's a little cracked. Let's see if that fixed things. Now I can control it where it comes out. Before, this was stiff and broken. I can also control the temperature. That's the rear defroster, which I do not have hooked up. That's in air. We're good to go. that's just a real quick video on doing the repair. The only thing that I found was a little difficult was getting the lines off the back where those little red dots are. By using that little screwdriver, come out pretty good. So we now have a brand new climate control console in our 2007 JK. Happy. We'll see you on the next fix. Oh, and I got some fixes going on with the blue Jeep and the green Jeep. See you out on the trail. We are getting ready for Jeeping with Judd, so that's where we're going to be for all of February, learning the trails, and then hopefully you got some tickets and you can come on out and enjoy the trails. It is a charity event, and it does raise charity for the Polk County Sheriff's Jeeping with Sheriff Judd. We're going to be leading stock-friendly trails this year in Judd 2024. We'll see you there.